Hey folks, this improvement comes from our warehouse. When we moved into the facility, the lighting system was already in place, but it was incredibly frustrating to use. Each light switch was mounted on a pillar somewhere on the floor. Many of those pillars sat behind stored pallets, which meant operators had to squeeze between the pallets just to turn the lights on or off. That extra movement resulted in a lot of waste. Turning on lights took several times longer than it should have. Lights were often left on because it was such a hassle, and it even created a safety risk when operators would trip or stumble in the tight space between the pallets. I kept putting off fixing the problem, but this just meant extending our frustration. So we finally installed a centralized lighting control system at the entrance to the warehouse. Now all the lights are controlled from one panel right where people already walk. With the push of a button, operators can turn on exactly the lights they need. The system can also be scheduled so lights turn on or off automatically at set time. At the end of the day, a quick check and one press of a button ensures that everything is off. The result is less motion, less frustration, improved safety, and overall better energy control. Thanks so much.